This is just a quick demonstration of the various things you can do with SharePoint. First of all, you can have announcements like don't forget to submit your reports. And you can actually customize things too by adding various columns to it like deadline, approval, and that kind of thing. The next thing I want to show you is I've set up an assignments list. And this may be useful for interpreters who want to go and see if an assignment is available to them, and if they want to go ahead and book that assignment, they can do so. But the administrator of the site would actually go in and set up these kind of appointments that look like this. MRI medical appointment, the location, the description, start date, start and end time, and assign to, and in this case it's open, and approval, which means it's pending, no one has booked it yet. So you can just build this database here, and the interpreters can keep track and go in and book the job if they want to or not. For example, let's say that the interpreter goes in and wants to book this. They would basically just go in and edit it, and it's assigned to Judy Smith. Then, as you can see over here, her name will be there. The administrator, if there needs to be some kind of approval process for Judy Smith to be able to go and do this, the administrator would then go in and change this from pending to approval. Very simple to do. They would just go here, and it's approved. So this one will be taken care of. Another feature of this SharePoint site would be the calendar. You can actually do the exact same thing that I've done for the assignments in calendar. One nice advantage to using a calendar versus a list or assignment list would be you would be able to put everything in the calendar and it shows up immediately on the calendar. So when an interpreter goes in here, they would be able to see all of the various assignments listed on the calendar. I only have one here now, but as you can see, one has been set up like this for a murder trial, U.S. District Court. Daphne on trial for murder, need ASL interpreter and CDI. I don't have it set up like the assignments with more detail, but you can obviously do that by just adding columns and information to it. One other thing, two other things actually, is I've set up a document library where if there are forms that the interpreter needs to fill out, they would simply go in here, open up the document, fill it out, and then send it back to the administrator. And then the final thing I wanted to just point out is team discussion. There's nothing here, but it's kind of like a blog where the interpreter could maybe leave messages about, my qualifications or whatever, and then the administrator can reply to it, and you can build a nice knowledge base with this type of thing, simply because if there's useful information that interpreters are posting here, it could also be useful info for other interpreters. So it's like a nice gathering place. But that's all I have to show you. I hope this helps.